Do you want your live stream to go from this to this? Find out how in this video. What is going on YouTube? My name is JB and today I'm going to show you guys how to improve your live streaming quality using OBS effects. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come down to your game capture or your display capture, or I have also an Elgato HD60 Pro, so you can also use that. Now I'm going to stick with game capture here, and I'm going to right click on that and click filters. Once you have filters open, you want to go to the bottom left and click the plus, then select color correction. Then click OK. Now that you have the color correction filter added, we can begin to improve the quality of your stream. As you can see, I have Apex Legends open in the background here. Three things I like to change on the color correction filter is contrast, brightness, and saturation. I like to increase my contrast to separate the darker from the lighter colors. Then I like to decrease my brightness to get a nice subtle effect. Then I like to increase my saturation to make the colors more vibrant. Now that we're finished with the color correction filter, we're going to add one more filter. Click the plus, then go down to sharpen, and click OK. Moving on to sharpness, we do not want to increase the sharpness too much because it makes the image look very distorted. We want to keep this on the low side. So I like to increase it to about 0.05 or even up to 0.010. I think 0.05 looks good for this game. Now that you have added these filters, let's see what it looks like. So if you go to the top left corner and drag this up, you can make the image a lot bigger, so it's easier to tell what you have done. So then click these eyes, and this removes the filter from the image. And once we click them, and that's a big improvement from this. One thing to note is these settings aren't going to work for everything you're doing, whether you're playing a different game or recording your desktop. But all you have to do is go to the color correction and tweak the contrast, brightness, and saturation to your liking, and the same for sharpness. Before I end this video, I wanted to remind you guys to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed and subscribe for more content.